Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by cleaning and masking precisely. This reduces adhesion failures. Once done, degrease and sand to create a profile the paint can cling to using 220-320 grit. Make sure to wipe with a tack cloth and let it dry. Moisture traps cause fisheyes. Mask off seams with 1/8 tape and cover panels with 3 paper so overspray doesn't bond where you don't want it. Prep dictates finish. Rush this and the rest becomes harder. You now prime and begin spraying with control. Primer fills and chemically bonds to bare metal or plastic. Once the primer flashes for 10-15 minutes, lay 1 full primer coat to seal. Hold the spray 6-8 inches away and use even 50% overlap. Start horizontal passes, then do vertical passes for uniform coverage. Apply 2-3 thin base coats, waiting 5-10 minutes between each so solvents evaporate. This prevents runs. Make sure ambient temperature is 65-75 degrees Fahrenheit. You finish by applying clear coat to protect and gloss the color. Spray 2 even clear coats with a 10-15 minute flash between. Once cured for 24-48 hours, you can wet sand with 1,500 to 3,000 grit and polish to blend and remove minor texture. If you see orange peel or runs, allow full cure, wet sand the defect, and reapply clear in thin layers. If you get fisheyes, stop, clean the area with solvent, and test on scrap before continuing. This avoids repeating the mistake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.